So today I will be making Olivye, which is a Russian salad recipe. The ingredients you will need are 5 potatoes, 4 eggs, 1 carrot, 1 jar of mayonnaise, more if you need some more, and 1 can of peas. Without further ado, let's get started! Okay, so the first method you have to do is boil all of the vegetables, including the eggs, in the pot until you can feel the vegetables going soft by taking a fork and piercing through them. After boiling the vegetables, take them out of the pot and start peeling them. Here, as you see, the carrots aren't here because the carrots were soft enough, so they're still boiling a little bit more. After peeling all of the vegetables and the eggs, you have to either dice all of the vegetables or cut them into small cubes so they'll be bite-sized. You have to make sure you do this in every single vegetable, and then you have to transfer them into a big pot or a big bowl of choice. After transferring all of the vegetables and the eggs into a large bowl, you have to take the peas and the mayonnaise and just put them in the bowl as well and mix until they're fully well incorporated. As seen in the video, my parents and I added diced onions as well for a little spice. We then mixed it until the mayonnaise was fully incorporated. Although it's not shown in the video, we added more mayonnaise afterwards because Olivye is a dish that mayonnaise is the main element of it. So you may need to add more mayonnaise if 1 jar of mayonnaise was not enough. We then added a bit salt and a bit of black pepper and then mixed it again for a little bit more spice, and then we left it to cool down and put it in the fridge overnight. And this is the finished dish. It's supposed to be cool, and take a plate and put it in the plate and enjoy. Thank you for watching.